What's up guys, it's Osirus. Welcome to a brand new video. It's been a while and I hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Akai Multimedia iLoud micro monitors. I've had these for a month now, over a month, and I thought it would be a good time to do a little review and share my thoughts on these monitors. So I got this because of the size and I needed to travel around. So this was just the right size for me to carry around anywhere I go. And that's one of the reasons I like these monitors. It's a proper monitor, a good sounding monitor for this price range at this size. And the next reason I like this is because of the connectivity. You can connect this monitor in different ways. And the third reason I like this is because of the metering plugin it comes with. It comes with the TR5 Metering Plugin. So yeah guys, let's do a quick sound test on this monitor, then we'll get into the connectivity. Let me play this. So you can see how detailed this metering plugin is. We have the VU scope, LUFS, dB, RMS, the stereo scope. We have all the scopes in this metering plugin. So it's one of the best on the market. And yeah, it's just a really nice free thing that comes with the purchase of these monitors. So yeah guys, let's get into the connectivity. These monitors come with a RCA to 3mm jack cable, and this is the default cable you use to connect this micro monitor. So it comes with a white and red RCA connector, and you plug this to the back . All the cabling is connected to the back of one of the monitor and is routed to the second monitor with another cable. So you plug in the white to the left port and the red RCA to the right port. Then you connect the 3mm jack to the headphone jack of your audio interface, or you can connect it to your phone, to your laptop, any device that has a 3mm jack input, and device that has a 3mm jack output rather. So that's the default connection, default cable connection of the iLoud micro monitors. So the other way you can connect this, and the way I set this up, is with the RCA to 1/4" jack. So I got two RCA to 1/4" cables, and I just plugged one RCA to the left port of the iLoud and the other RCA to the right port of the iLoud, and the second end is a 1/4" jack, and I connected this to my audio interface. So I'm just going to show you how I set this up here. By the way, these monitors have a very good bass response for the size. The monitor is marketed to be super near field, and it's true. It sounds good. All the good sounds gets to you at your ears while close to you, and this monitor sounds good everywhere in the room. So it's really surprising how good this sounds. So that's how to set this up with the RCA to TRS jack. So the third way you can set this up is through Bluetooth. So you can see the Bluetooth knob at the back of the monitor here, and I just really like to have the Bluetooth on while working with my artist, and they can just play samples or reference tracks from their phone or laptop, and we all listen on the same device, and it's really cool to just have them playing through their phone directly, and we're all working together seamlessly. So it's really dope having that sort of connection. So the iLoud also comes with this nice portable bag. You can purchase this with the bag, and yeah, it's really nice for just carrying this around. And I just chose the option to get the bag with the monitors. And yeah, so that's the basic packaging of this micro monitor. So like I said, this is the best sounding monitor I've seen at this price range, and the sounds and all the features really surprised me. And I'm going to be using this for a very long time. I'm really satisfied with these products. Let me show you the size of these monitors with everyday objects, because sometimes size can be deceiving online. So this is the iLoud matched up against the spoon, and it's just about the height of the spoon and half the width of the spoon. This is the iLoud matched against a cup. It's just barely taller than this cup. It's taller than this cup by a little bit. And this is the iLoud matched up against my Rode microphone, the Rode NT1, and it's just about the same height. So yeah, that'll be all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something new from this. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. You can get this from the link in the description. You can purchase this from the link in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.